everyone, I'm sharing with you how to make another wallet that a lot of my subscribers request without the zipper. I know a lot of people don't like the zipper and it's have a lot of teeth, but I've been telling people it won't bite you. You don't listen to me. Very easy, this wallet. Look at this fabric. That's have like glitter on here. It's a little thick too. So last time I got it from Walmart for $1 a yard. I wish I have the whole thing, but hey. So I have iron in here midway interfacing, the one that I share with you in my description box, and I cut 2 interfacing and 2 fabric for the card slot, and the size of this is 8 inch and a quarter by 14 inch and a half. I already ironed the interfacing in here, so I don't want you to fall asleep. I'm gonna take one away. I'm gonna do this one, but you're going to make this one exact the same. I'm showing you this one. Just put the ruler like this, and then I'm going to keep it, but every time I make the change, I'll tell you, okay? The first one is 2.5 inches. Next one is 1.5. And then 2.5, and then another 1.5, and then the 2.5. The rest of it is 4 inches. So repeat down here exactly the same. The first one 2.5 inches, 1.5, 2.5, 1.5, 2.5. And the rest is 4. So the first one, fold it down, 2.5 down. And you see the cut right there? That's perfect. You can iron this. When I share with you the tutorial, it takes longer than you actually making it, because when I do this, I have to talk. And this one, you're going to fold it down. And then you can press this. You can hold on to it like this. Go all the way to this side. You see the next one right here? Fold it down. Okay, put your finger right there. Hold it down. So up and down, up and down. This side right here, that's 1.5 inches. Hold it and fold it up. Pressing this. So the one that 1.5 inches, you go into the interface inside and fold it like this. And then you hold everything up like that and go down to this one, the 2.5, which is the last one. And when you go to the last one, everything it meet up right there. Is that simple enough? You go into top stitch on the line here, top stitch, and top stitch in the fold here. So everyone, after I sew this, you can see. No, you can, because my dress is the same color with the fabric. I'm sorry. All right, so now you can divide it into 2. You can draw the line, and then you can sew this. So I'm gonna use the tweeter and then get this point like that, so I can see the line. I'm gonna sew that right in the center. Same thing to this, sew in the center. Or you can fold it in half. You get headache off your head. So after I sew in the center, and now let's just put this on the side. We're going to make the body. So I'm gonna go one at a time so you understand. The first one, I have it in here, the interfacing I already ironed in here, and the interfacing is 7 3/4 of an inch by 11 inches. And the fabric here, I have 8 1/4 by 11 1/2. I'm gonna go to the right side. I'm gonna face one side, the opening here, and then the sole line facing in. And make sure everything is even. You can clip it down while you're working along this side. Very easy. And then between this line right here, half an inch in between here. I'm going to place the second one over, but facing this, like this, facing in together like this. From here, I'm gonna mark half an inch. I'm gonna go half an inch from here, and then half an inch over here. I can draw the line. Flip into this side so I can fold this on the mark line. Okay, I'm gonna go to the front. I'm bringing this out, and I'm going to bring this mark here, flap it over to the end of this. You're gonna sew from here all the way to the on top of the fold, go on the side, go down to this way, go all the way down, but you're going to sew like a quarter of an inch. So that's it. I sewed it in here, everyone, and at the end here I sew very close on the fold. Okay, and then here I sewed a quarter of an inch seam allowance, so around to here all the way at the fold. And so if you want to add the wristlets, you make the wristband already and then fold it in the two ends here, and the loop is facing this way. If you want to, then this is where you add it. But I'm not doing this. I'm making this at the wallet, not the wristlets. So I'm gonna put this away. This is the last piece that I have, okay? And this is the interface, and I already ironed in here. It is 7 3/4 of an inch by 10 1/4. And the fabric I have it 8 1/4 by 10 inches. Right to the right side, and hold it. Let's see. Every time I do thing, I put the ruler away, and then I have a hard time looking for it. So it's right on the at the end here. I'm gonna mark in an inch and half, an inch and half. I just about to put the ribbon away, but I'm like, oh no, let's just leave it out so my audience can see. And all of a sudden I forgot, and it just fall down. So I got this at Walmart for $1, and I cut in the same length of this, but I show you how to put this on here. I don't want to use this big, but you can too if you want to. I like to fold it, so I'm gonna fold it in this way or that way, whatever way. When I fold in this way, I have in like 1 inch. Okay, it come like this. I have 1 inch, and the fold is like that. And I go on to place the way I just mark an inch and half. You're gonna sew this straight line all the way. So everyone, I sew the ribbon. This is optional. You don't have to do it, okay? I'm gonna fold it in half. Here I cut 3 inches in the elastic. I use this one from the face mat. You're gonna sew it in here, right in the center of this. A request. But if you don't want to make this like this, you can cut this longer, so the flap can be longer down, and then you add the button, not this loop. All right, let's bring the other piece over. If I can find it. Remember this piece? We're gonna start on this piece. This is the elastic. We don't want to leave it open right there. So you go to sew a quarter up and insert. So right here, I would do right here. It'd be 40 elastic. So I would do about like 2.5 inches. Okay. So don't sew it here. So a quarter up and in seam allowance, you're gonna sew all the way down, all the way down to here. Go to this way, past the elastic, go to elastic, go back and forth, and go to here. Stop. Leave this open so you can inside out. So after I sew around here, the pocket, the wallet, the card credit, whatever slot here. You can pull on the side. I just want to pull on this side here and then go on to trim around it. So it can be a little thinner, not too thick before I inside out. I keep saying that inside out. I know it's annoying some people. I don't know how. I mean that the one that it's staying inside now, I'm gonna go and inside that out. Take it easy. It thick, so you need to slow down. So everyone, after I inside out, iron and everything, and now you're gonna go to the front side here. You're gonna top stitch here. So everyone, I finished, and it looks so easy. The only thing that I just want to tell you that when I fold it over like this and I add the button, but I forgot to click on the recording button. And so anyway, so I got this button like this, and I sewed it. I pulled it like this down, and I just pulled the way that it holding the flap like this down, and then I just mark exactly where I want the button to be like this, and then I sewed it in here. Get this kind of button with a thing like this. So it's better with the elastic, but if you make with the snap button or whatever, you don't need to worry about this part. So I'm using the Charlie card for this, because if I use the real card, I never remember to put it out or to bring it out. Okay, I'm going this way. This is the card that I'm using for my video. So with the card all like in here, so together in one side you can hold 4 cards, and then the other side, on this side you can put money if you want to. You put money on one side to put all the way in, perfect. And on this side you can put more card. Whatever card you want to use or you want to put it in, you feel free to do so. You can put more card if you want to. It's all up to you. So I'm just showing you how to make thing, but use it, it's up to you. And then it have room for the phone in the back here. There's another pocket for the phone. There you go. And then you can flap. That's why I leave it happen in here, So it folded back like this nicely. Thank you so much everyone for watching, like, share and subscribe, and thank you for the people who trust and request me. Not all the requests I can do. Stay safe everyone, love you, take care.